something different about you. Love it when you hit and it's not too. Baby, leave me lit on your tattoos. That's true that I like PDA. Take it to a city place, suck a little dick in the bathroom. Who that man with the big strong hands on her ass in the club with the pass when he gas you. Front seat chillin' with the window down and be 10 toes down on the dash. Fast food, hope you can handle the heat. Put your name in the streets, get used to my bands looking at you. Fuck what they heard, don't fuck with them birds. I'm a mean kitty, don't get stabbed with the rats. Your boys be mad that they don't fuck incels. Girls hate too. Gun to the pigtail, I love you. I want a bitch, oh boy, don't trip. I'll split a big bill, take you around the world. They don't have to understand. Rub it in their face, put a rock on her hand. Baby, can you call me back? I miss you. It's so lonely in my mansion. Kissing and hug the cutters, whether they like or not. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up. I wanna brag about it. I wanna tie the knot. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you. Yeah, yeah. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you. Yeah, I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you right here. You can hear what it was, boy. Sorry, I was taking this too long. 'Cause love is pain, but I need this shit. We fuck too good when the beat kicks in. Like Fortnite, I'ma need your skin. Don't give a fuck with the penis spin. Boy, you're the one, you're the only man. Me and you are my only friends. Holy cow, you're the holy trap. Hold me down, wanna hold me dick. Be my security, it's your therapy. With you, I ain't holding shit back. When I need my space, you give that. When you broke my heart, you fixed that. Did a long walk on the beach. Never when they honk on the street. When they see us right in the Jeep. We a whole damn joint, we a energy. Baby, we could just ride on our enemies. They don't wanna know how you get to me. Let them feel how they feel in the Philistines. 'Cause this type of love's the epitome. Said, baby, you'll never be capping to me. Why are you capping? You just cap so hard. Kissing and hug the cutters, whether they